Got right here more everyday carry gadgets. This side here, little clip, detachable. Just press right here and pull it off. So quick release on any keychain keys and stuff like that. But also it's really tight and made out of metal. And there's two keychain rings with attach over here. You can set it up with a tool or whatever. Pretty awesome. This side here, keychain tweezers, and look how small they are. Just pushing it, it'll come out. Very discreet. And if you got a splinter, super easy to take it out. And like sitting here really good. Unless you push it down, it will not come out. Or shouldn't anyways. Got it here, Radian shine line. Okay, looks like this is right here actual grabbers that you can actually use into your camping. That's cool. You barely could see that it's on, but all it does is just say Flux inside that tube. Okay, it's really easy to put it onto something, but as you can see, it's not very bright at all. Maybe if you put it on a table to illuminate whatever you see on the table, that's a little bit better. But again, most light coming off from here and a little bit of a refraction. It's pretty unique for sure. Here's quick little scissors for fishing. It comes with the flashlight. You see there's a tiny little flashlight, and to lock it in you just press and push it back, and to unlock it just push forward. Here's another necklace, fire starter this time. And you know what, the necklace jewelry looking pretty good. The nuts, as you can see, really easily adjustable, and whenever you need to start the fire you just take this out. I'll probably hold it somewhere around this way, and you just strike this by using this little paddle, and it will make quite a few sparks. So that way you always have fire starter on you, and also you look cool with a pretty cool necklace. Got it here, water bottle lantern with a solar panel over here. So there's few modes, flashing modes. Then you can take it out and use it like an actual flashlight. Then you have right here a rechargeable port for your cell phone. And what's in here? Just whistle, live store, and couple other things. But yeah, that's quite unique. Oh, even a cheap fire starter. It's pretty bright, as you can see. Camera overexposes hard. Got it here, lighter, plasma, compass, and a flashlight. That's what plasma lighter looks like in the dark. Looks like an X. And a flashlight, as you can see, really bright. Waterproof test. It doesn't float. That's okay. But if it's set in the rain, let's see. Shake it off a little bit. This flashlight still works. Yes, it does. So it's pretty waterproof, even if you drop it into the water. And let's see the lighter. You see a couple of drips inside there. So still works. But I would say it's more of a water resistant. I wouldn't keep it underwater for too long. So if it's raining, not a big deal though. This side here, porta wipes, compressed towelettes. So you got one of this tablet looking towelette, and then you just pour a little bit of water on it, and look what happens. Just like magic, it expands fast. And then you just roll it off, and you got a moist towelette. It's pretty durable too. Well, maybe don't pull on it that hard. Also, it's pretty easy to squeeze it off to where it gets pretty dry and absorbs water really good again. Glow in the dark patch. That is so unique. I never seen one of those before. Leave it in the sun, it'll start glowing, then you can attach it to your Velcro like a patch, any kind of patch, and it will glow. The glowing of it is very impressive. Check this out. I can use it to, in complete darkness, see like little things around me, like where's the switch and stuff. It glows very, very bright. Wow. Even in a somewhat kind of like dark room, not super dark room, it still illuminates very bright. I love this thing. Gathered here a couple of new Microtex. This one is, I think, UTX 70, but it has a copper. And look at that edge of a blade. It's a miniature, so it would be really easy to carry it around. Beautiful. I love that knife edge, looks like a mini sword. And this one is LUDT. That's one kind of cool, like $350 knife out of side. That's what it's called. Unique Microtech knife, kind of hard to get. This thing sell out pretty quickly as well. Red. Look at that kick. Do you see it? But yeah, this is was made in 2021, partial serrated, serial number 2400. So there is a lot of them, of these exact ones. So the serial number is how many of them have been produced. Here's another energy drink shot, and as you can see, it's miniature flask that can fit your pocket no problem, and you can always have it on you without having a bulgy flask. There you go. So there's 4 different compartments for the battery. First of all, it can get D cell, looks like C cell, will go in here, or it will get double A, it will go in this one, or this one, triple A. And let's start with the smallest one, and it should be able to work. And then there's different options, on and off. And this is like a lantern, you see? You keep spinning it till you hit that one battery. That is so cool, don't you guys think? So that way you can keep spinning in case one of the batteries died. So let's turn it off, and let's just place another one, and it will be the same thing. Line it up. The coolest part about that, it doesn't matter if you're using a small battery or a big one. It is same brightness. This is probably weirdest knife ever made. Let me show it to you guys. Knives are everyday carry for work. You see right now it looks like a flipper, but it won't open. Guess what? This whole frame will open. They don't open all the way. This is so funky. Then to close it, it's assisted. You go like that and lock it in. So this is built-in safety. Open it, flick it. What's happening? Flick it, locks in all the way. Boom. I love the color of the knife. Lock it. So built-in safety right here. Definitely weirdest knife ever made. Weird invention right here. Helix collapsible lantern. First of all, you got right here legs that goes this way. Also, they have hooks on it, so you can set it up. And also, if you push this and turn, there you go. Kind of pull on it. Let's see how this works. Okay, you lock it in. I guess to pull it, you just grab it and it will fill itself up. Okay, the coolest thing is to turn it on, all you have to do is just swipe. And this way is red. Have you ever seen flashlight that you just swipe? And this one I'm talking about, you could just hang it onto your like clothes, backpack, whatever. Make sure you tied it up really nicely, and you can walk around with a flashlight like that onto your chest, whatever. So really unique.